What's up guys? Today I will react to some bad designs and I will try to make them even worse instead of fixing them. Everyone wants to see some crappy stuff. Let's go. What? What? Oh wait, it is a dog. If you look at it from this angle, it is a dog. It's so obvious, guys. Come on, what did you think, huh? I mean, okay, honestly, I don't think you can make this worse, so we're just gonna leave it as it is. The only question I have is, I wonder if the designer actually sold any. I think actually he would sell a lot, because people love stupid stuff. That's a good way to make money, right? This bathroom cube. What? Whoever designed this is just genius. So let's make this even worse. Much better, right? My grandmother just entered the room. She asked me what I am doing, and then she looked at the screen and she left. What's suitable for use around kids and pets? Mouse trapped and killed it. Keep out of reach of children and pets. So yeah, skip this. Crossing streams might be the perfect strategy in this situation. Seriously, what's going on with these two toilets at the same time? Like, is there in some kind of parallel universe where people need two toilets at the same time? Like, seriously? Another beautiful bathroom design. Okay, there's nothing we can do here. It's just let's just move on. Sexual assault, it happens here. Not sure if I'm gonna get on this bus anymore. Get in, it's so much fun. Now it's much better, right? Everything 99 cents up or less. There's nothing we can do here. So last year I started creating art every day, and I managed to do 159 days in a row. But the best thing is that at some point I started animating my artworks, or how I call it, bringing them to life. And if you want to learn how to create amazing still or animated artworks, then just go to learnfromfred.com, where you will be able to find free and premium classes. Or even enroll in the membership and get one new class every single week. How cool is that? Event for disabled people has no disabled access. Please note that this event takes place in the basement and has no step-free access. Genius. Hospital which I work as this rituals for the patients. What? What is that? I mean, you haven't seen what I'm sitting on. I mean, this is nothing compared to what I'm sitting on.
You see, I'm not even sitting. I'm just floating in the air. You see, it's empty here. Nothing at all.
You probably think there's no way you can make that worse. Well, I can do everything. Can you guess what I am doing? You see, this is the right wheelchair, right? Right? Reminds me of Mad Max. The illustration from a children's Passover book. Okay, I think this one needs no explanations. That's how mirrors work. Never unplug this top plug. It's a connection to our security camera. You won't believe me, but I can make this worse. Never unplug this top plug. It is a connection to sun. If you unplug it, the earth will get destroyed and only old Nokias and Chuck Norris will survive. Okay guys, I really hope you enjoyed this video. Make sure to subscribe and see you on the next video. And don't forget to go to learnfromfred.com where I show you how to create amazing artworks, okay? Don't look that I'm just doing some silly things here. We're just having fun, right? I'm actually a professional photoshopper with over 7 years of experience. If you have a look at my artworks, you'll understand that I'm pretty serious. Don't make me angry.